Welcome to Lesson 30, Love Method Lesson 7. Today we learn count the beans and probability shows up. Those tiny dots plotted on the chart lines, we call them beans. The more beans you see at a level, the more that spot is acting as a meaningful signal. What we'll cover: 1. How to count beans. 2. Why more beans means a stronger read. And 3. Reading with numbers instead of gut feel. We'll learn it live on the Bitcoin Daily on screen, the same counting habit you'd use watching S&P 500 or Nasdaq levels. On the Bitcoin Daily, do you see the small dots sitting on the red and blue lines? Those are what we call beans. Red beans equals traces left by buy-side signals. Blue beans equals traces left by sell-side signals. The indicator plots them automatically. Every time price tags that line, one more bean gets added. 이그잼플, it tags yesterday 그러면 one bean 캔지, tags again 8 days later 그러면 2 beans. Just like that. One stamp means that level mattered. Several stamps mean a stronger signal. Count them yourself on the chart. We're counting those dots with real numbers, not a vague hunch. Same discipline traders use when they tally multi-touch floors on the Nasdaq. Look at the Bitcoin Daily on screen. Around the red line, you'll see clusters of beans. Can you spot a 1 bean level, a 3 bean level, a 5 bean level? 1 bean equals price just tagged once. 5 beans equals the market reacted at that same spot 5 times. The number is what matters. Would you recommend a coffee shop after one visit? A place you've been to 5 times feels a lot more trustworthy, especially if that latte still lands around $3 to $4.50. Price levels work the same way. Meeting the same level over and over is evidence that investors keep reacting there, and that is what turns it into a stronger signal, whether you're reading Bitcoin or an S&P 500 floor. Counting beans is genuinely simple. On the Bitcoin Daily, find where beans cluster on the red line or the blue line. Then go 1, 2, 3. Say you count exactly 5 beans around the same price zone. That means investors have reacted at that level 5 times. Investor psychology textbooks say the same thing. Repeatedly meeting the same level is a support or resistance signal, the kind of multi-touch read Fed day traders watch on the NAC, too. The key is judging from an actual counted number, not from a feeling. A lot of people stare at the Bitcoin Daily and think, this somehow looks strong, vague. We get concrete. We count. Exactly 3 beans on the red line, 2 on the blue. Confirm it with numbers. That is a real database read. Once you know the number, your reason gets clear and hard to argue with. You wouldn't set apartment rent on a feeling. You check square footage and neighborhood, the same way you'd size a New York or Dallas lease in dollars. That is the core of this method. Decide from an observable count, not from gut feel. As time passes, price comes back down and tags the same spot again, and another bean prints there. Watch the red and blue lines on the chart yourself. First you have 2 beans, a few days later 3, then later 5. What does a rising count actually mean? Historically, a price that keeps revisiting the same level is what investor psychology calls a support or resistance zone, and the more repeats, the stronger that roll gets. Same idea traders use on S&P 500 multi-touch shillings. Of course, more beans is not a 100% guarantee, but statistically, higher frequency tends to mean stronger investor reaction. That is what the empirical pattern shows. Lesson 30 wrap-up. 1. Tiny dots on the Bitcoin Daily lines equals beans. 2. More beans equals a more important signal at that level. 3. More repeats equals higher confidence. This lesson is for education only, not investment advice. Every trading decision and its outcomes are your own responsibility. Next, Lesson 31 goes into stack multiple time frames. We'll add a whole new dimension to the bean counting idea. 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly. You'll learn what kind of signal forms when you read several timescales at once. If today's lesson helped, hit subscribe and like. Thanks for learning with us.